Okay, students, now we are going to start our math session in which we are going to discuss 2D shapes. On your previous class, we had discussed square, rectangle, circle, triangle. Okay, now we are going to discuss pentagon. Okay, I am sharing a screen. Kindly look at. On our previous class, we had discussed shapes. Afterwards, we had discussed 2D and 3D. And then we only discussed about 2D shapes in which we had learned about square, in which we had discussed square has 4 sides as well as 4 corners, and square has 4 right angles. We had discussed that. Afterwards, we had discussed rectangle. Beta Daniel, kindly listen to your teacher very carefully. Otherwise, you didn't understand. Okay. After that, we had discussed rectangle, and we also discussed about that rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners, and 4 right angles. But there is a difference between rectangle and square, and the difference between is that square has 4 equal sides. Okay, स्क्वायर्स के पास क्या होती हैं, चारों साइड्स जो होती हैं वो इक्वल होती हैं. बट इन रेक्टेंगल वी हैड डिस्कस rectangle don't have all 4 equal sides, only opposite sides are equal. Isn't it? We had discussed that ना. ओके मैं अब उर्दू में दोबारा से बोलती हूँ, सुनिएगा. हमने रेक्टेंगल में ये पढ़ा था कि रेक्टेंगल के पास 4 साइड्स होती हैं, 4 कॉर्नर्स होते हैं. फिर हमने डिस्कस करा था कि रेक्टेंगल और स्क्वायर में क्या डिफरेंस है. सही है. तो डिफरेंस बट इतना सा है कि स्क्वायर के पास 4 साइड्स बिल्कुल इक्वल होती हैं. सही है. लेकिन रेक्टेंगल के पास 4 साइड्स इक्वल नहीं होती. सही है. रेक्टेंगल की अपोजिट साइड्स जो होती हैं वो इक्वल होती हैं. अपोजिट साइड्स कौन सी मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, जरा स्क्रीन देखिएगा. This one side and this one side, these two lines are opposite to each other. Okay, so these two lines are equal to each other in rectangle. What about this one and this one, they must be equal. Okay, for example, if you're taking this one 5 centimeters, so it should be 5 centimeter too. Okay, wait, wait. If this one is 4 centimeter, so it must be 4 centimeter too, because in rectangle opposite sides are equal. After that, we had discussed triangle. In triangle, we had discussed triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners. Okay, all triangles have 3 angles, but right now in this triangles there are 3 equal angles and all angles are acute angle. Look at your screen. Tell me, what is this? This is acute angle with point A. But when we are talking about this one is also acute angle from point B. What about this one? This one is also acute angle at point C. Got it? Nurul Hadi, I will discuss with you. Don't worry, just listen to your teacher right now. We will talk. Don't worry. After triangle, we had discussed circle. Okay. In circle, we discussed that circle is a face figure in which there is no corner, there is no side. It has curved shape. Isn't it? Now we are discussing pentagon. This is the new topic which we are going to discuss today, pentagon. Okay? अब तक हमने जितनी डिस्कशन की थी, सही है, उनमें हमारे पास मैक्सिमम कितने कॉर्नर्स और कितनी साइड्स थी? एनीवन कैन टेल मी? अब तक हमने जितनी भी फिगर्स डिस्कस करी, सही है, रेज द हैंड इफ यू नो द आंसर, रेज द हैंड. अब तक हमने जितनी डायग्राम, ओके सारा वेट, स्पीक सारा, टेल मी. रिपीट अगेन सारा. बेटा मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी. टू मच नॉइस. बेटा सारा. Okay, anyone else? Jafar. Okay. Jafar, speak.
ये फोर फिगर.
अब तक हमने जितनी शेप डिस्कस की, उनमें हमारे पास मैक्सिमम 4 साइड्स थी. Now we are going to discuss pentagon. Okay. When we are talking about pentagon, so first of all, pentagon has 5 sides. Pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. So listen to me very, very carefully. Pentagon hearing me, please raise the hand. Okay, Jafar, thank you for informing me. Okay, beta, we are on pentagon. We are discussing that pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. Look at the diagram at your screen. How many corners and sides are there in this diagram? Kindly tell me. Who want to give me answer right now? Raise the hand. Except Jafar. Anyone else? Okay, Daniel. Daniel, tell me, look at the screen and tell me how many sides and corner are there in this picture. Yes, Daniel, speak.
5.
5. Okay. And what about the corners?
Corners.
How many corners are there?
5. Side.
5. Thank you so much, Daniel. Brilliant. Your answer is correct. Again, look at your screen. This is corner 1, corner 2, corner 3, 4, 5. Okay. So there are 5 corners in pentagon, as well as how many sides? 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? Okay. अच्छा मेरे बच्चों, दोबारा से look at the shape again. Look at the shape again very, very carefully. Can anyone tell me these all sides are equal or not equal? Raise the hand if you know the answer. Can anyone tell me all sides are equal or not equal? Can anyone? Okay, Ali. 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 Ali, speak. Better speak. Beta kahiye Ali. Beta unmute yourself. Okay, now tell me. All sides
Teacher,
are equal.
not equal sides. Not
Sorry,
equal.
not equal.
Not equal.
Okay. Okay, okay. Ali, are you Ali Abbas? Ali?
Yes,
Ali,
teacher.
are you Ali Abbas?
Yes.
Okay, I want to talk with you separately. After class, I will talk to you, okay? Anyone else? Inaya, kindly tell me, all sides are equal or not? Where are you, Inaya? I think Nida Hussain, okay. Kindly, Inaya. All sides are equal or not?
तुम तो फालतू बैठी हो, तुम आवाज सुनना, गेट थोड़ा सा खोल दो।
Inaya, kindly.
No.
No, are you sure?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, for what? For sure, or all are equal or not?
Equal.
Fine. Zayanuddin, speak, beta. Zayanuddin, speak. Are you speak? Zayanuddin, speak, beta.
Teacher, I can't hear you.
Please tell me all sides are equal or not.
Equal.
Equal, okay. Nurghadi. Okay, Nurghadi, speak. All sides are equal or not?
All sides are equal.
Okay, thank you. Now it's enough. Now look at the diagram again. When you see all sides are equal in any diagram, when you see all sides are equal in any diagram like triangle, like rectangle, like square, so that means it is a regular shape. What? It is a regular shape. When all sides are equal, that means this shape is regular. Got it? Who got it? Raise the hand via Zoom. If you see any diagram and those diagrams all sides are equal, that means this is regular shape. Now we are moving towards irregular shape. Look at the diagram B. Are you watching? Now listen to me very, very carefully. This diagram also have, this diagram is also has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corners and 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This diagram also has 5 corners and 5 sides. But this is not a regular shape. Why? Can anyone tell me? Why this diagram is not a regular? Anyone? Can anyone tell me? Beta, almost all cameras are turned off. Please turn on your camera. Everyone turn on your camera, please. Aras, kindly give me answer right now. Why this diagram is not a regular?
It is not equal.
What? What is not equal? Tell me or ask, give me complete answer, beta.
The shape.
Sides, because this diagram sides are not equal. That's why this is irregular shape. What is it?
Irregular.
Okay, thank you, Aras. Okay, mashallah, we have understood about pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. We also discuss about the regular shape and irregular shape. Regular shape has all sides are equal, but irregular shape does not have all sides equal. Okay, so this is the difference between regular shape and irregular shape. Now we are discussing about more types of pentagon. इसे आप types of pentagon भी कह सकते हैं या आप इसके shapes में ही इसे include कर सकते हैं. Basically ये हमारे polygon कहलाते हैं. सही है. ये पेंटागन से हम जितनी भी चीजें अभी डिस्कस कर रहे हैं वो हमारे पॉलीगॉन कहलाते हैं, जिसके अंदर अभी तक हमने पेंटागन डिस्कस किया था. पेंटागन हमने ये डिस्कस करा कि इनके पास 5 साइड्स एंड 5 कॉर्नर्स होते हैं. अब वन बाय वन हम हेक्सागन डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. Hexagon is a polygon. Okay, it has 6 sides and 6 corners. Got it? Look at the diagram of hexagon. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 corners. Sorry, 6 corners and 6 sides. So that means this is hexagon. Got it? Please turn on your camera, everyone. Please turn on your camera. Okay, so hexagon has 6 sides and 6 corners. Any diagram? In any diagram, you have seen 6 sides and 6 corners. That means this diagram is called hexagon. Daniel, what happened with you? Now we are moving towards heptagon. Okay, look at your screen. Heptagon is a 7-sided flat shape with straight sides. That means heptagon has 7 sides as well as 7 corners. Got it? Look at the diagram of heptagon. Look at your screen. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 corners and 7 sides. So this diagram is called heptagon. Got it? Now we are moving towards the next, that is octagon. Okay, in octagon we have 8-sided flat figure and we have 8 corners. Got it? Look at the screen. Octagon. Now we are counting sides and corners. Look at your screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means which diagram which has 8 corners and 8 sides is called octagon. Got it? Now we are making sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? Now we are moving towards nonagon. Okay? Nonagon has 9 sides and 9 corners. Look at your screen. Nonagon has 9 sides and 9 corners. Look at the diagram of nonagon. Sabika, can you count it? How many sides and corners this diagram has? Sabika, speak beta. How many sides?
Nonagon या फिर heptagon?
Nona.
Nonagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nonagon has 9 sides and 9 corners.
Very good, Sabika. So I think all are you all are understanding very well. Now we are moving towards the last one, polygon, that is decagon. तो ये decagon के अंदर क्या होते हैं? 10 sides होते हैं और 10 corners होते हैं. Look at this diagram. Okay, Nurul Hadi, listen to me. Please count sides and corners of this diagram which are showing on your screen. Kindly count the sides and corners.
It has 10 sides and 10 corners.
Okay, thank you so much. So those diagrams which have 10 sides and 10 corners, we have to say, हम क्या कहेंगे? Nurul Hadi, speak.
Yes, teacher.
Those figures which have 10 sides and 10 corners, we have to say
Dectagon, teacher, dectagon.
okay. Thank you so much, Nurul Hadi. ओके बच्चों, आज हमने पॉलीगॉन को डिस्कस करा. पॉलीगॉन में हमने डिस्कस किया पेंटागन, हेक्सागन,
Pentagon है ही नहीं. Nonagon. Nonagon.
अपनी जिम्मेदारी पूरी करती हैं। साथ साथ हमारे और भी बच्चे हैं लाइक हुनैन वगैरह, हुनैन वो भी बहुत अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। तकरीबन हमारी क्लास के तमाम बच्चे बहुत अच्छे से रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और सिंसियरिटी को शो कर रहे हैं, और मैं आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट करना चाहूँगी आपके इस एटीट्यूड पर, क्योंकि आप बहुत अच्छा बिहेवियर शो कर रहे हैं। मैं आपको ये वीडियो और ये स्लाइड यूनिवर्सिटी में अपडेट कर दूंगी, काइंडली आप इसे वॉच करिएगा इस वीडियो को, और फिर उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, कल एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे। गॉट इट? Got it? Now I am ending this session. You have 2 minutes. Go and have some water. Got it? Now take care and rejoin me after 2 minutes.